Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel, and for today's vlog, sasama ko kayo, pupunta tayo ng Japan. Alright, ngayon nasa A-Lounge area tayo, lumabas na ako kasi nakakahiya, doon ako mag-opening spiel, ba? Diba? So right now, nasa NAIA Terminal 3 tayo, pupunta tayo ng Narita. So explain ko sa inyo yung airport guide, departure sa Manila, and arrival sa Japan. Okay, so let's go! So since we're going to Japan, make sure all your documents are ready. And of course, you need your passport and your valid visa. Okay? Post ko dito sa screen yung mga documents na kailangan. And kanina sa immigration, ang tinanong lang sa atin saan ka nag-work at saka kailan ka nag-start nag-work doon. So yun lang. Very smooth lang sa immigration kanina and konti lang yung tao. And right now, nasa A-Lounge tayo waiting for our boarding. Okay? So we have to maximize our credit cards perks. Okay, so you have to make sure na alam nyo yun. Diba? Alright, anyway, so later, during the boarding, papakita ko sa inyo yung process din at the same time, paglapag natin sa Narita mamaya. Samahan nyo ako, okay? Just in case may Japan trip kayo, at least alam nyo na rin. Diba? Ma-share ko sa inyo yung details. Alright, so see you later. And friends, welcome to Japan! We're here na! We're here. Ayan friends, after dun sa famous na welcome to Japan, pag landing nyo dun, pagpasok nyo sa arrivals, diretso lang to. Sundan nyo lang mga dumating. Then, we'll have the immigration na. Let's go. Make sure, by the way, na nakapag-fill out na kayo sa Japan web para hindi na hassle. Hindi na kayo mag-fill out dito mamaya. Okay? Let's go. Nakalabas na tayo sa immigration and customs. Okay? So, after immigration, customs, kung may declare kayo or wala, dadaan pa rin kayo doon. So, right now, mag-withdraw tayo ng cash. Cash. Let's use Maribank. Okay, let's go to train station. Baba lang to guys. Baba lang kayo. Let's go. Ayan, may signage naman. Yan, let's go sa KC Skyliner. Ang papalit tayo ng ticket. We booked this sa Agoda nung naka-mega sale. Ayun, information center. Doon tayo punta. This one.
This one is a two-person already.
Okay. And then
You need to choose time. Which time would you like to train?
this one, 7:23. Yes, please. That's already for 2-person. And then the other voucher will be changed that when I go back here.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
If you want discount, you need to pay all with.
It's 723, platform number 1. Go straight behind you.
Platform number 1 there. Okay, thank you. Have our tickets na bili na lang tayo ng food. Kasi din na tayo mag-dinner sa loob ng train. 7-Eleven, hanap tayo. Buy food here. 7-Eleven. Thank you. Ticket here. Then, don't forget, kukunin mo yun. Yan. Make sure tingnan na mabuti ang car number ha. Though, pwede naman magtanong dito. May mga guide na. On time! Actually, baga pa. Lagayan ng luggage. Lagay na. Ayan, lagay na. We are 9D. Yan. There's our seat. Right. Kain tayo, friends. First meal sa Japan ay sa tren kasi gutom na tayo. Mahaba pa yung biyahe natin papuntang Ueno. Itadakimasu. Okay, we're here na sa Keisei Ueno. Ika tayo. Make sure ha, huwag kalimutan ang ticket natin. Hey now friends, we're walking papunta sa Hotel My Stay sa Ueno. Lapit lang naman. 15 minutes walk. This is Hotel My Stays Ueno Inaricho. It's about a 5-minute walk from Inaricho Station via Ginza Line, and there's a 7-Eleven just 2 minutes away, so super convenient talaga. Check-in is at 3 p.m. and check-out is at 11 a.m. Take note that the front desk is only open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So if you're arriving later than that, make sure to message them in advance. They'll give you instructions for late check-in. So this is the room, very straightforward, typical Japanese budget hotel style. Medyo compact, yes, but good enough for 1 to 2 people, especially if you're mostly out exploring naman. Pagpasok, you'll see a mirror on the side, the slippers, the sink and the cabinet, the microwave, meron din silang kettle, fridge, mags, glasses of course, the TV, lamp, and the bed of course. And what I like this is also they provide charging cables for different devices, so super helpful. And before I forget, there is a small balcony here, ganyan. Ito ang view nyo, diba? Then of course, the bathroom, you've got the famous Japanese toilet, hot and cold shower, and the bathtub, and they also provide shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. They also give basic amenities like coffee, tea, sugar, and even skincare stuff. You can get that dun sa front desk mismo pag check-in nyo. And one thing I really like about this hotel is they also provide free umbrellas you can borrow, especially when it suddenly rains. Super useful niya. Walang extra cost. We booked this on Agoda for 11,151 pesos and 96 cents for 2 nights and good for 2 persons already. Prices can vary depending on the season and how early you book. For us, this was around the 3rd week of May, booked about a month before our stay, kaya medyo mas mahal. By the way, for your next hotel stays and activities during your travels, you can book through Agoda and use my codes for extra savings. To redeem, open the Agoda app, tap deals, and enter the codes. Use Ianville Agoda for hotels and Ianville Travel for activities. Once saved, you can start booking and the discounts will be automatically applied. Ang galing guys, kasi yung water nila sa faucet is naiinom daw yan. So, it's safe to drink that one. So, hindi na. Kahit hindi na mabili ng water. Okay, friends. So, that's it for this vlog. Nakarating na tayo sa ating hotel. Magpapahinga na tayo. Okay? So, yun naging process natin pag alis ng Pilipinas hanggang pagdating ng Japan. Okay, so that's it, and see you in our next vlog in our first full day here in Japan. Bye! Thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time. Logo something, ano yan, sorry